Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. Today I have the Spellbinders clubs of the month. Yes, I subscribe to all their particular clubs, so it just comes in one big bundle. So if you're looking to see what that is, you're in the right place. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around to spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated, and any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So I think the first one I'm going to start off with is the Glimmer of the month. Well, as soon as here it is. Okay. It is Sentiments, and it is called Anytime Glimmer Sentiments, and it also came with the glimmer foil in, it's called aluminum. I've never seen aluminum in a gold color, so there you go. But we have these sentiments. So we have hope your day is full of joy, friends, fun, and presents. Happy birthday. Hello there. A note to make you smile. I'm trying to read these backwards and kind of upside down. And happy birthday. So just some great sentiments if you just want to throw a little bling on the front of a card or something like that. You can foil it up real quick. So because this is a February Glimmer of the Month, it's going to show you samples made with other items that are from that month. So there are other, what am I trying to say? Other kits. So the next one, so it looks like I'm going to go based on this. Yeah, okay. So based on this sample back here, this detail work you're seeing, that's actually stitching that you're seeing. So this is a die, this one right here. And this is the small die of the month, and it's called the Oval Stitch and Border. And so here you can see where they stitched it in to make the flowers on the oval. So there's that one. Then there is the Stamp and Die of the month. And so that's how you're seeing the flowers. So here are some of the flowers that are stamped. But the flowers are built with this set. Doesn't look like it's all there. I'm looking. So I think some of the flowers are from here. I could be wrong. It doesn't quite look like it. But you would think so with... Yeah, no, I'm wrong. My bad, I'm sorry. Anywho, the Stamp and Die of the month is called Old School Notes. And so you have these sentiments. Be bold or italic, never regular. You push all the right buttons. Once upon a time. I'm typing this note just to say thank you. Happy birthday to the most amazing person. Then, of course, we have the typewriter. And then we have different floral that you can stamp out and color. And then we have the matching dies and the coordinating flower dies. And then there's even a piece here to stamp out the sentiments as if it's coming out of the typewriter. And so the typewriter die, this right here is a cutting edge, so that right here there's a cutting edge so that the note can be coming up out of the typewriter. So that's pretty cute. I guess we'll just go right on to the large die since it coordinates, however, on a much larger scale. We have a giant typewriter, and we have different flowers. different sentiments. So we have here, in here it says thanks, happy birthday, to say, and a note. And then we're going to flip this over. So this is like your little dial, you know, where you're cranking up your paper. But there you go. So it's showing you how you're putting it together. And then these little guys here, you have to cut these out a couple of times to top off your keys. And then this right here is your space bar. And I'm trying to figure out... so these you cut out, and these create the bulk of your keys, like the colors for your keys. And then these go on top to give, like, you know, how the top of your key might be a different color. So here they're showing them white and then with a red top. So there's that. The embossing folder of the month is called Sketched Floral. I mean, it's not bad. It's not, I don't think it's something I would use. I'm probably going to put this in... actually, you know what? I will use this when I do my quilt cards. When I make cards that look like quilts, I like to emboss them. And this would be a pretty one. Because it kind of looks like a ring around the world, kind of. I mean, not a ring around the world. A wedding ring. If you take the flowers out, that's what it looks like. So, anywho. So there is that. And then the last one is the Apg Die of the month. And it's called Marvelous Medallion. And I think this is for like when you're doing more decorative, yeah, like more decorative cards. I just say elegant cards, I guess. I might try to find something else to use them for because I'm really not big on cards making. I love cards like these. I just don't make them. So, and then these look like they can be bows, but they're using them to make flowers, which I think is pretty awesome. So there's that. So those are all the stamps and dies. So I guess now we're going to get right into the kit of the month. The card kit. This is the card kit of the month. And it's called Always Remember. And I gotta tell you, I don't know how I feel about... I don't always like the card kits. So they always come with 10 bases, 10 envelopes. So it's kind of like a watercolor look, a floral watercolor look here. And it does have some good dies in it. So we have in the dies, let's get this open. We have this floral swag. So they cut it out twice, if you see here, and they just linked it. Cut one out here and then turned it and put another one there. So there's that. And then you have the sentiments and the flowers. So we have a bunch of flowers, the centers for the flowers. Any leaves? No. So we have saying, made, day, just, my, hello, are, oops, you, perfect, and you. So we've got 2 U's, I think. That's a T. Just, you, hello. Oh, that's not a U. What is that? That is a day. Huh, my bad. So, a great little grouping of sentiment dies and a little flourish there, which that I will definitely use. I'm going to have to get out my magnetic sheet so these can get properly stored away. So there's the dies that go to the card set. You always get some dimensionals, some tear tape. You're getting some iridescent sequins, the stamp set, another bunch of good sentiments. So we have miss you, let's catch up soon, sending loving thoughts, I miss your smile, you are the truest of friends, I'm here for you, never lose hope, you can text me anytime, love you, on my mind and in my heart, the clouds will clear and the sun will shine, and there you go. So really great sentiments there. We have some chipboard embellishments. They're basically just frames. I'm not going to pull them out. We have some chipboard ephemera, and it looks like my little latte got bent. That's okay. So this looks like it's supposed to be bingo. It is. It is bingo. But it's not. Because there's only 4 letters in hugs, but 5 rows. Anywho. And we have tickets that say family and friends, cherished, grateful, miss you. You will always be unforgettable. I love the swans. You're never alone. So there's that. We'll take a peek at some of the ephemera pieces. There's just way too much. So you have a lot of floral, some butterflies. I guess love you. Singing in the rain. Always remember. Pretty bird. I think it, to me, it kind of screams April showers bring May flowers, I guess. But not, last month, definitely not. This one I can do stuff with, so I'm going to hold on to this kit. Then, here, let's do the paper. Get in there. So here is the cardstock that came with this month's kit. Bunch of pastels. This yellow just kind of like does not seem like it fits. So let's do this. That's how we're going to do it. There we go. I think this is supposed to be white, but it's dirty. I mean, that's the way it looks anyway. And then we have the 2 blues. So, oh, and then we have the foil sheet. And these are actually, I believe these are actually metal foil. Yeah, they're actually metal foil sheets. So, kind of like that. And then our little paper pad called Always Remember. I think what I'm going to do with this one is oh, well. Okay, that's cute. Well, I think I am going to keep this one. The samples don't look that great. Of course, you know me with maps and globes, and love these raindrops. That's pretty. The emotional... it makes no sense. Yeah, it's just a bunch of mumbo jumbo. Or no, well, I don't have the patience to read it. So there's that. That is that is the February Spellbinders bunch of clubs. You can do singles. There's different combinations you can do. Like I said, I'll try to remember to put the link down below. I'm not affiliated, but if you look through their clubs, there's different combinations that you can subscribe to. I used to only do the glimmer and the small and large die. There's a possibility that I might go back to just those three. But I think for some reason when I signed back up, there was some special going on. So I got to go back and check. Because honestly, I think there's only been one folder that came that I really liked. Honestly, they should do a stencil of the month. That's what I think. I think they should add stencils. I don't think they need to do a an embossing folder every month. Yeah, that just does nothing for me. But that, you know, again, that's my opinion. We're all different. You know, somebody might think this is all fantastic. You know, and that is fantastic. And that's why I'm kind of sharing this, to let some, you know, because there's a lot of new people out there that are crafting, and my sharing lets them know what else is out there. So, any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I am still researching a laser printer. I need to get myself a color laser printer. If any of y'all have one that, you know, prints really nice, is as economical as a laser printer can be. I mean, technically they are, because they last a long time, but the darn toner, oh my goodness, is that expensive. But I need myself a color laser printer. It doesn't have to be some beast, but something that, you know, is reliable. Yeah, something that is reliable and prints really nice, because like I said, I'm going to be using it mainly for the egg art that I want to get started on. So, if you have any info or tips or recommendations, please let me know. Either comment down below or shoot me an email. That is down in my email's in the description if you're new to my channel. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go for the rest of the night. I love you guys to pieces. As always, happy crafting. Bye-bye.